Forgetting a Facebook password can happen to anyone, especially if you manage multiple accounts or change passwords regularly. The good news is that Facebook provides official recovery tools that allow users in the United States and around the world to reset passwords safely and regain account access. But it's also important to avoid scams and protect your account during the recovery process. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to reset a Facebook password safely for US accounts step by step in 2026. First, open the official Facebook app or website and go to the login page. Under the password field, click the Forgot Password option to begin the recovery process. Now enter your email address, phone number, or Facebook username connected to the account. Facebook may offer recovery options like a verification code through email, SMS text message, or connected devices. And that's your full guide on how to reset a Facebook password safely for US accounts in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clearer understanding of how to recover and secure your Facebook account safely.